Morning guys, playing for just a very few minutes in the shop today. I ran some castings yesterday and I ran another counter shaft bracket, so I've got two of them. Now, I don't know if I've released those videos yet. I know I showed the first one cast and pretty well cleaned up on Instagram if you're following me there, but which is hillsgun. But I did a couple other castings. One of them was one of my little angle plate castings right here. And I've got a couple of these. I'm going to machine them up, but I may show that because you need a way to be able to square those up. So if you're not aware, I may shoot a quick little video of that here in the next couple of days as I clean them up. But I cast some more of my flask hardware. I've been doing quite a few match plates here lately, and this is match plate hardware. These are the two little brackets right here that goes on the match plates, so for alignment. So I was down to the last couple of those hanging, and I needed another mold to ram up yesterday, so I went ahead and did a batch of flask hardware, which this gives me a dozen, or match plate hardware is what these are, if I could remember that. So I cast these a dozen at a time off of a match plate, and I believe I've already shown that. If I can find it there, I'll link it in the card up above here in this corner. And I was getting ready to machine them out. So I always try and improve my techniques for doing things, and one of the things was a quickie little jig, and I've had a couple of guys comment that they really like my little jigs. Well, this is a quick and dirty one, and all it is, on the last batch I did, I degated these and had them in individual pairs. Then I went ahead and drilled them, and then drilled and reamed the center hole, and then separated them, and then just hit them on the belt sander to clean them up. So I've done it a little bit different just to make it a little more efficient, and I spent about 15 minutes with a ragged old piece of plywood, 8x10 piece of plywood, and a 1-inch Forstner bit. And it's quick and dirty. All I did was lay them out on there, drill the holes to match, and kept laying on and fitting until I got a good fit. What happens is it lays in that match plate, or in that follow board, we'll call it a follow board, just like that. I can set it on the drill, or on the milling table, or on the drill press table, and just very quickly go around and drill these, you know, empty the shavings off every once in a while, and drill them. And then I'll go back and drill and ream all of these probably for a 1/2 inch. I've got some that I've got larger flask hardware, but on the smaller flasks I'm using 1/2 inch pins on them. So I'll probably go and drill and ream all these for 1/2 inch pins, and then I'll go ahead and degate them all, and then split them and hit them on the belt sander, and they'll be done. So anyway, just something to speed up efficiency a little bit. It's quick and easy, nothing, no rocket science, you know, just something a little bit quicker and easier in the shop. So hopefully you find it useful. Comments, suggestions, leave them in the comment section for me below. As I said, this is just a quick video, very minimal edit, and I'm going to throw it out there in a bit for you. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, find this useful, I'd appreciate it. Comments, suggestions, once again, leave them in the comment section for me below. And as always, guys, have a good weekend, and thanks for taking the time to watch. Okay, quick modification of the jig. I'm going to go back and take 5/8, 3/4 something drill bit, just run it all the way through where those have gone through. That way I can go back through these with a reamer and just quickly ream these holes. Drilled them through 5/8, just a clearance hole for the reamer to go through, so I'm not cutting down into the wood or doing anything stupid there, and lightly hit it with the sander, you know, just enough to make things sit down the way they're supposed to. And just a quick ream. Okay, all the machining is done on these. I will go back and, well, I won't even go back and deburr them yet, except I'll run a chamfer around the top ones. But otherwise, the basic machining is done on them. That's plenty good for match plate hardware. And once I get these chamfered, why then I'll just go back and degate them and then hit them on the belt sander just to flatten out any nubbins that are left on the back. And then we'll just split them in the bandsaw and lightly touch those on the belt sander too. So, almost done with this one. Anyway, I'm just going to go ahead, deburr these a little bit. Don't need to bore you with that.